So today we're going to do a little unboxing video on the DJI Mic 2. Everybody, DJI Mic 2. Pretty nice little small box here. Reasonably priced, kind of about, you know, at the top of the 300 and mid 300 range. You know, I was looking at all kinds of different mics, but I really just settled on the DJI to pair well with my other DJI products, the Osmo specifically. And you know, I just felt like it's a great little setup. You know, there's lots of stuff on the internet about who makes what better than what, but you know, I'm just kind of like a one-man brand kind of guy, if you can tell from the background. So DJI it is. What's that, dude? Little puppy wants to say hello. What's up? You want to say? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Say hello. What's up? Over here. Who over there? Who that? Who that? Yeah. Who that over there? Who that right over there? Hey? Who that? Good boy. You won't go outside if I. So, it comes in a nice little carrying case. Super organized. Got your little battery charger set up. Comes with the receiver and transmitters. Looks to be already somewhat charged. So these are these dudes. Pretty nice looking. Really small. You know, it has a magnet on it. You clip it on your shirt. I'm really not into that look, you know, especially like it be sagging down on people's t-shirts and stuff. So, you know, I got an accessory to go with that. The lavalier. I don't know, it's French or what? It's the mic that you put on your shirt like that, so it doesn't sag down. What's up, bro? Come on, you wanna go outside? Okay. So yeah, you got your two mics, little carrying charger case, nice little receiver here. Looks like, you know, you can plug this into your camera. I got a Sony over here I can use this on. Comes with little adapters. You know, you plug it into your iPhone if you want. It's a nice little setup, not gonna lie. Super nice. So immediately opened it up out of the box. I don't feel like I spent too much money. I feel like, you know, I made the right move. Super nice. In the case we got, looks like some charging cables. Little headphone jack, Extendomatic. Couple of these little furry guys here. So I guess these just clip right on, you know, to muffle the wind noise down. But I'm not gonna do that. Do it so you can check it out. But they just clip right on. Pretty cute little fuzzies. See that? Oh, that's a nice little fuzzy there. Feels nice. Clips right out. I still got to figure out how to work these, but it's supposed to be pretty straightforward. Oh, see, I'm recording something. We already got a little red light going. And then you turn it off. So it looks like there's a little red button. You just hit it. Records. Hit it. Turn it off. Bitchin'. These, I don't think these will store in there with that. Definitely not. So yeah, these won't store in there. Got to keep those out. What do we got? Another one. And some silica. Don't eat that. So yeah, all in all, nice little case. Nice little bang for your buck here. You know, I'm going to be using this stuff pretty much on everything I'm shooting, you know, unless I decide they suck. But for now, I think it's going to work great. The little external mic. This looks like they'll clip right in. So one of the things I'm going to use them for is one of these, since they're, you know, you don't have to plug them in right to your camera. So when I use my DJI Osmo, I'm going to be rolling on that. I'm going to have this guy in my trunk. One of these is going to be hanging out. I'm going to be getting some exhaust notes out of that. That'll be kind of a cool deal. Kind of a cool deal, right? And then, you know, instead of running that thing, you just clip this on anywhere you want. Hide that. You can barely see it on my jacket. It's black, I guess. Well, you can barely see it on my sweatshirt. Super nice little deal. I'll let you know how this thing works in the future. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing all charged up and ready for action.